Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can install Gorenje cooking stove for single phase installation. So in the first step you have to remove this screw and with the tool lift this element of the both sides. Okay, there we have a skim and there we have our sockets. If you want to connect it to the single phase installation, we have to use the bridges and we have to install first bridge to the first and second phase sockets. Just put it and screw the first one. Now insert second bridge to the second and third socket and screw the second one. Okay, their sockets is for a phase wire. This first and second on the right side it's for a neutral, so we have to bridge it together like before. Okay, so let's go to the wires. The brown one is for a phase. Oh, sorry, you didn't see it. Okay, the brown one is for a phase. This one is a neutral. So the phase one we have to connect to the left side socket. So just insert it with the bridge and screw the wire. Now do it the same thing with the neutral. Okay, let's screw it together. Okay, and insert it to the right second socket. This one is for a ground wire, so if you have a green yellow wire, connect it in this place. Okay, now from this side we are ready, so let's go to the other side of the plug. Now we have to connect the brown wire to the left side of your socket and the blue to the right side. The brown is a phase wire, the blue is neutral. Now just close it together and screw the socket, the plug. And that's it. Now just connect it and the cooking stove should work with any problem. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and good luck guys.